If you've watched a lot of makeup tutorials on YouTube, the very first thing you've probably noticed is how few videos there are for male to female learners, except drag, of course. There's tons and tons of tutorials for drag makeup, but not very many for trans women or for crossdressers and their unique needs. The ones that you do find are not made by an actual professional makeup artist, and they usually just have experience doing their own face. And there's nothing wrong with that, of course, but you do need guidance for doing makeup on your face, your skin tone, your eye shape. All of the tutorials in the world are not going to help you if they're done on a different face or eye shape. There's something else too, and I hate to say this, but because you're a beginner and just not that experienced, you might not notice how much bad information is being put out there. Not trying to be critical here, because I think a lot of them probably don't know that they're passing along bad habits, but I do notice when someone is teaching something that's not really a good habit, or there could be a much more practical way of doing something. I've been teaching makeup to trans women and crossdressers for 25 years, and I developed a makeup course that's just for male to female students. Everything you could possibly need and imagine is in this course, starting with the very first steps. Just check it out for yourself and you'll see how complete it is. No hype, no pushy sales pitch. Just look for the link in the description, and while you're at it, please hit that subscribe button and help me build my channel. I would really appreciate it. You will learn how to do your makeup.